Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a hotel Podi Idli at your home under 5 minutes. So for the hotel idli podi, what you need? Here I have some idli which I cooked just now. Can you see? And um, take a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. So here I added 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and in this I am adding this mustard seeds. So 1 to 2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. And when the mustard seeds is started spluttering, we have to add these curry leaves, fresh curry leaves. So here I added the fresh curry leaves, and in this I am adding this hing powder. It gives a nice taste in this podi idli. So we have to add everything in the oil. So after adding the ink powder, what I'm going to do, here I have the podi, the homemade gunpowder, and I'm going to add this gunpowder. So here I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoon of gunpowder in this. And I'm going to mix. Nice aroma, guys. And in this I'm going to add the idli. So here I added the idli, and again I'm going to add this gunpowder the top, so that they will coat nicely the idli. And I'm going to toss this one, so it should be nicely coated in all the idlis, guys. So this is how they prepare in the hotel. So the hotel podi idli is ready, guys, and I added some ghee in the top of the idli. It gives a nice taste. So no side dish is required. If you want, you can prepare chutney or sambar. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make a hotel podi idli under 5 minutes at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.